Predator. This motor's noisy. Look at that. Thank God I brought the plug with me. This is what happens when they cut the plugs. I come back and rewire it.